Welcome to HarmonyHub, a social media platform dedicated to streamlining the collaborative experience of musicians in the local Houston scene. We spoke to several Houstonian musicians and found difficulties such as finding like-minded musicians, encountering platforms that are saturated with scams and bots, compounding to concerns of safety, and others feel that online connections are short-lived because of schedule clashes and different aspirations. Through our survey, we concluded that most methods of outreach require personal connection, with musicians prioritizing musical compatibility, personality and communication, as well as commitment and availability. And their greatest challenges faced being musical differences, lack of networking opportunities, and time constraints. The ideation process allowed for developed wireframes, brand identity, and logo design, allowing us to form intuitive flows that are streamlined and extensive. And our top features offered reliability through verification processes that users undergo, ideal filtration, which allows for us to match users with matching schedules, and skill sharing as a method of connecting various skilled members of the community to create music together. We used the valuable feedback of local musicians in the initial stage of testing through our initial prototype. And as we see, we had many reviews that helped us to really push it and finalize our brand style guide. Now, let's hear from our users about how they feel about HarmonyHub.
What I liked about the app is how it showed my scheduling preferences and the other person's scheduling preferences and the overlap. So just in case I forgot, or at least for a beginner user, that it would show the overlap and where I can and where they can't. I also especially like the interface of when I first saw the other person's, like the other musician's profile, so that I could have in a glance more or less a kind of like an idea of what kind of musician, what kind of user they are.
For the first immediate impressions that I had of the app was that the color scheme and the interface in general was all very pleasant. And then once I got to the verification process, it gave me a lot of ease and peace of mind. As an artist, specifically a female musician, security and safety is incredibly important for me. So knowing that the application is committing, even to a small degree, the safety of their users and ensuring the integrity of the users utilizing the app is incredibly valuable.
I put schedule as my personal priority, and the app filters through and preferences musicians who also prioritize schedule, for example.